Hey guys, Jess Starr here with the Starr team at Keller Williams Legacy Partners, standing outside our adorable new listing. This one is 80 Elmfield Street in West Hartford, Connecticut. Close to everything, Blueback Square, the Newington Town Line. Lots of great sidewalks here, as you can see, if you want to go walking. I love this neighborhood. Look at all these beautiful flowering trees. This is a beautiful ranch. It's 2 bedrooms, 1 bath. It's got a living room with fireplace. It also has hardwood floors throughout on the first floor. It's got a 3-season sunroom as well. That's nice and private. 1 car attached garage and newer boiler replacement windows, and just, it's adorable. Your finishing touches are going to make this one shine. This one is priced to move, minutes to everything, yet tucked away. A great way to start here in West Hartford with public utilities. Give us a call, 860-325-2484, or you can visit us on our website at thestarteam.com. We look forward to helping you make your dreams come true too. Make it a great day.